Hello everyone. I'm Andy, a lecturer from ThinkMo. Now I'm teaching CCIE course. Start today. I will share with you relevant technologies of CCNA, CCNP, CCIE. Our topic today is how to realize two-layer break in redundant switching network. First, explain redundancy. It can be understood as backup. Under what circumstances will redundancy be involved? We need to figure this out. For example, two switches connection between. If we connect a line, when it's broken, will result in a single point of failure. Then on these two switches, connected devices, to communicate with each other, cannot realize data forwarding. To address this situation, we can connect more lines. When one of the wires breaks, another line can be used. This allows redundancy. This is what we call backup. Then let's return to the theme. How to break the redundant switching network. I believe many people have heard of it. It is what we call STP. We call it Spanning Tree Protocol. Spanning Tree Protocol. We all know that for tree structure, there is no loop, because a tree has roots with branches and trunks. They don't connected with the roots of a tree. So it's called Spanning Tree Protocol. Next, let's take a look at the Spanning Tree Protocol. What types? It is roughly divided into three types. The first is STP, the most primitive spanning tree. It is the standard of IEEE 802.1d. And RSTP. It's called Fast Spanning Tree. It is the IEEE 802.1w standard. The second is MSTP, Multi-Instance Spanning Tree. It is the standard of IEEE 802.1s. Then STP and RSTP. What's the difference between them? Let's take a look at the introduction of both. In an Ethernet switched network, to realize link backup, improve network reliability, usually redundant links are used. But it brings network loop problems. For example, two switches. Two lines are connected. At this time, the data is sent to the switch. It will be sent back. This will result in a network loop and will cause a broadcast storm and MAC address table concussion. Due to the generation of the loop, it may lead to poor communication quality. Even communication is interrupted. In order to solve the loop problem, IEEE has proposed 8.2.1d Standard Spanning Tree Protocol. It's called STP. RSTP is based on STP improved. Fast convergence of network topology can be realized. We can understand it as upgrading. Convergence time refers to, in case of multi-line contact, when one of the lines is interrupted, another line takes over and forwards. Time of data message. The above is the introduction of STP and RSTP. STP and RSTP, mainly based on single instance. RSTP convergence rate, although faster than STP, but it's still single instance spanning tree. This causes it to fail. Solve the problem of load sharing. It also cannot improve the link reliability. To be specific, we will follow in the course. MSTP is based on STP and RSTP. Improvement based on. So for MSTP, it has both advantages. It also eliminates disadvantages. This is the most important point. Next most important question. How does STP achieve damage? It is in the redundant link. Break a line temporarily. This does not mean manual. Cut this line, but automatically between switches. By interacting with the corresponding STP protocol message. This message is called BPDU. Synchronize status with each other and its corresponding information. For example, a broken wire is detected. Then another line will take over the job. This is the STP break we mentioned. If the main line breaks, backup line takeover. When the main line is restored, under normal circumstances, it will switch to work. Now STP and RSTP. It has been eliminated. Both have some drawbacks. This is also unacceptable. That's the end of our sharing today. If you have any skills you want to learn, welcome to leave a message or send me a private message. If you are interested in what I said, hope to share and subscribe more likes. Thank you. See you next time.